Your lesson essential question is how can you write a 3-digit number in 3 different forms? So today, you're going to be writing numbers in different forms. So we'll be using our place value blocks to help us do that. All right, let's say I have 3 100s, 2 10s, and 8 1s. We're going to start with standard form. Standard form is your basic way of writing numbers. So we're writing the actual digits. So if I have a 3 in the hundreds place, 1, 2, 3, a 2 in the tens place, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the ones place, my number is 328. So standard form is your standard regular way of writing a number. We also have word form, and word form is where you write out the numbers in words. So I would write out 300. I would write out 20, and I would write out 8. So we're using words to write the number. That's why it's called word form. 300, and then 20, and then 8. Our last form is expanded form, and that's when we expand our number. So we separate it into hundreds, tens, and ones. We're still using digits to write the number, but we're really expanding it. So I have 1, 2, 3 hundreds. I have 2 tens, so 20, and I have 8 ones, so 8. I expand it into my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. When you add them together, you get your standard form of 328. So we've got standard form, which is your standard regular way of writing a number. You have word form, which is when you write actual words to represent the numbers. And then expanded form, where you break the number up into your hundreds, tens, and ones.